kung saan na mo pag papa-improve ang eskwelahan. Tulo lang may ka-picture dali The Department of Education moved for temporary closure of the school for almost 7 years. Ang uban manangkin kay utawang sa ilang dekada ng magbukas.
Sitting beside me is Ma'am Leslie. Ma'am, good morning. Can you tell us, ma'am, or share us about the brief history of New Dawis Elementary School?
New Dawis is 7 kilometers away from Poblacion, Nabonturan. In 1975, New Dawis Primary School was opened. It offered grade 1 and grade 2 classes. But unfortunately, the enrollment gradually decreases until such time that the Department of Education moved for temporary closure of the school for almost 7 years. After 7 years, the people of Barangay New Dawis were united and dedicated to reopen the school. However, due to the status of enrollment, they just settled for combination classes called multi-grade classes of grade 1 and grade 2 up to the school year of 2004 to 2005. Year 2005, the people wish to have an additional grade level. So, the barangay officials, through the initiative of our Captain Jesus de Arangcon, work hard to make their dreams come true. In fact, they decided to shoulder the miscellaneous fees of all pupils from grade 1 to 6 who will be enrolled in the school. Even the PTA miscellaneous fees was shouldered too. In 2010 to 2011, I hired here last December 6, 2010 until the present. Yes. I'm almost 12 years.
Dugay-dugay na jud ma'am no.
Yes.
Pag-abot ni mo diri ma'am kanang pila pa man ka classroom ang naabtan sa 2011 December 6, 2011.
4 classroom. 1 and 2 to sa office, then kato sa grade 1 and grade 2. Then kanang PT building, 1 building back, 2 classroom. Then recently from 2018, this new building was constructed. So, ano yung 2-story building na na-improve na New Dawis Road. Dili na yun siya makaluluoy as charot.
Nakita pag
Yes. So, pangalit po big help sa barangay, nagaan po nila katutan. So, mauna ni karon ang atuang nawong sa New Dawis Elementary School. Then, napaming ongoing project soon. So, sa eskwelahan, every time mumusulod ka, nakikita yung mga challenges na ma-encounter. So, una na mong na-kuan na rin is yung mga absenteeism sa mga bata. So, number 2 is gamay lang ang enrollment. Mga multi-grade making, gamay lang ang enrollment nila sa Dawis Elementary School. And, ang ikatulo is slow readers sa mga bata. Kung saan ako pag-solve syempre, so kami tulo na tinabangay. So, katong una mga problem na absenteeism sa mga bata, naman yung mga reason nga nung absent ang mga bata no. Syempre, ang uban dali pag sinun lang kay naninda, child labor o kasagaran. Makita na lang namo ang mga bata naninda, naninda o isa niya isusuroy dali sa eskwelahan. Mao pa na nakasakit no kay ini absent, wani ka sa eskwelahan. Makita na mo ang uban mo na pagkaon. So, solution ana, so ang school is, mas pinag-absent ang mga bata, pinahanglan, ako encourage na mubalik sila sa school. So, naman nila buhat, nag-participation leave, and also, ang eskwelahan is one of the beneficiaries of school feeding program. So, feed all ta, 74 ka bata, 74 ko lang on. So, na-less ang absences ng mga bata. Slow reader. So, ang among room is, napo may mga program, nagataod may ka ng mga reading corner. Reading corner every classroom sa pag-encourage sa mga bata na magbasa. So, pinakatabangan ko ng sarili ka na follow up nila sa pala. Thank you and babu.